Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about what is function in computer. Function, both the structure and functioning structure and functioning of a computer are in essence simple depicts the basic functions that a computer can perform in general terms. There are only four. Number one, data processing. Number two, data storage. Number three, data movement. And number four, control. Now we make a figure, a functional view of the computer. First go to insert, then go to shape and click circle, then draw a circle and select outline black, and fill is select no fill. Then copy this on, same way okay, then draw a arrow, insert, okay, click this on, then outline select black, copy this on and here, okay, then go to insert, select arrow and draw same ভাবে draw a arrow. Okay, again go to insert, and draw a arrow. Click both arrow and select outline. Then go to insert and select text box. You can see, and click this text box, then no outline and no fill. Then right here, operating environment. Operating environment. Okay, then click this circle and add text, data, click here, no fill, go to insert and copy, okay, then right here, data, movement apparatus, movement apparatus, and click and single line, then okay, and move where, select bold, okay, then copy this on and edit the text. Control mechanism, then copy this on and right here, data, storage facility, same way to copy this, and right here, data processing facility, okay, and figure this text box, figure a functional view of the computer. Okay, the computer of course, the computer of course must be able to process data, must be able to process data. The data may take a wide variety, may take a wide variety of forms, and the range of processing requirements is broad. However, we shall see that there are only a few fundamental methods, or types of data processing, It is also essential that a computer store data. It is also essential that a computer store data. Even if the computer is processing, the computer is processing data on the fly, So what is function in computer? Function, both the structure and functioning of a computer are in essence simple, depicts the basic functions that a computer can perform. In general terms, there are only four. Number 1, data processing. Number 2, data storage. And number 3, data movement. And last 4 is control. So this is the figure of a functional view of the computer. First, opening environment, operating environment, data movement appears, and second, control mechanism, and then storage, data storage facility, and data processing facility. So the computer of course must be able to process data. The data may take a wide variety of forms and the range of processing requirements is broad. However, we shall see that there are only a few fundamental methods or types of data processing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.